Hello students. Today we shall discuss about determination of rank of a matrix. In previous in the channel Easy Physics, I uploaded a video on PSHO, I mean parallel input serial output shift register. You please watch the video soon and please subscribe the channel and comment on the video. Okay, today here we discuss how we determine the rank of a matrix. At first we say what is matrix. Now, what is matrix? Matrix is an arrangement. Matrix is merely a arrangement of some numbers in different row and columns. Suppose you have some numbers, let A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. You want to arrange. You want to arrange the numbers in a manner. For that case, we take the help of an arrangement or an sequence the numbers that is called matrix. Suppose it is a matrix. Let we have the numbers 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 numbers we have, and I want to arrange them. This arrangement is called a matrix. It is the form. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. So it is called 3 cross 3 matrix. Generally, the number of rows and the number of columns cannot be same. May not be same, but fortunately they may be same. So it is not matter. Okay, it is not matter. এটা কোনো ম্যাটার করে না যে ম্যাট্রিক্সের নাম্বার অফ রোটা সমান হলো না, নাম্বার অফ রো আর নাম্বার অফ কলাম সমান হলো কি হলো না, সেটা কোনো ম্যাটার করে না। ওকে, ফাইন। So we have known that what is matrix and its form. Okay, now what is the rank of matrix? Rank of matrix টা কি জিনিস? Fine. Rank of matrix means number of non-zero rows. Okay, non-zero rows means any row that have at least one non-zero element. Okay, suppose it is in the second row there is a non-zero element 5. In the third row there are two non-zero element 2 and 6. Okay, and in the first row there are no non-zero elements. Fine. It is non-zero element means this type. Okay. So number of non-zero rows in a matrix is the rank of the matrix. For simplicity, we discuss only about rows, not for columns. Okay, fine. I want to learn about the easiest process of determination of rank of the matrix. Okay, so the easiest process according to me to determine the rank of the matrix is row reduction method. Fine. Row reduction method. What is the process? So to learn about the process, we at first we have to know the meaning of reduction of rows. Okay, reduction of rows means actually the rows are reduced to one or two non-zero element in a row. মানে যেটা বলতে চাইছি সেটা হচ্ছে যে এই যে একটা ম্যাট্রিক্স, এই ম্যাট্রিক্সের যে রোগুলো আছে সেই রোগুলোতে সবকটা এলিমেন্ট জিরো আসবে বলবো না, এই রোটা হয়তো জিরো এলো না, এই রোটা হয়তো জিরো এলো না, কিন্তু এই যে রোটা একটা রোকে আমরা জিরো বানাবো, এটাই বলতে চাইছি। ইংলিশটা হয়তো অতটা ভালো বলতে পারি না আমি, তো মাঝে মধ্যে ইংলিশে মাঝে মধ্যে বাংলা দুটোই মিক্সড করে বলছি আর কি, তোমরা একটু বুঝে নিও। যদি ইংলিশে কোনো রকম বুঝতে সমস্যা হয় বা কিছু হয় তাহলে বাংলাটা ফলো করবে, আর নয়তো আমাকে কমেন্ট বক্সে জিজ্ঞাসা করবে, আমি অ্যান্সার দিয়ে দেবো। ফাইন। টু determine the rank of the matrix by row reduction method, we at first convert the matrix in a upper triangular matrix. Now the question is, what is upper triangular matrix? What is this? The upper triangular matrix looks like the upper triangular matrix looks like this. Okay, but to determine the rank of the matrix, this element obviously 0. This element is obviously 0. Okay, fine. So first of all, we have to use row operation. Row operation means these row, these row, these row, all the rows are operated by some mathematical technique and make the element 0. এই এলিমেন্টগুলোকে আমরা জিরো বানানোর জন্য রোগুলোর উপর একটা অপারেশন করবো, একটা ম্যাথামেটিক্যাল অপারেশন করব। ওকে, হয়তো একটু বুঝতে কঠিন লাগছে, যখন আমি প্রবলেমের দিকে যাব তখন জিনিসটা বুঝতে সুবিধা হবে। ফাইন, আমি প্রথমে প্রসেসটা ইংলিশে অ্যাকচুয়ালি বলে নিচ্ছি, তারপরে আমি একটা প্রবলেমের দিকে বলবো। ওকে, ফাইন। প্রসেসটা এরকম যে ফার্স্ট অফ অল উই ইউজ রো অপারেশন, দেন by row operation we make the matrix as an upper triangular matrix, and an upper triangular matrix looks like this. All the elements upper the diagonal are non-zero. Upper the diagonal all the elements are non-zero. Fine. But under the diagonal must be 0. Under the diagonal must be 0. All the elements must be 0. And last of all, total number of non-zero rows. Any one or two or more element of the row may be 0, but at least one element must be non-zero. It is called non-zero rows. So last of all, we have to total number of non-zero rows are the rank, gives the rank of the matrix. Fine. These are the process of row operation to determine the rank of the matrix. Now we solve a mathematical problem. Fine. Let us example. Let you have a question that find the rank of the matrix A where A equals to 1 5 1 2 1 1 3 6 2. Fine. Now we proceed the problem according to the process of the determination of rank of the matrix. First process কি ছিল? First of all we use row operation. আমরা row operation use করব. Fine. Second process কি ছিল? Now by row operation we make the matrix as an upper triangular matrix. Now all of the you are able to understand about the row operation. I write the matrix again. Row operation means these elements are made to 0. Okay. So to make 0, the option is R2 মানে row 2 second row is subtracted from first row, multiplied the all the elements of the first row by 2. So the new second row forms by this. And to make these elements 0, we have new third row, which is the present third row is subtracted from the first row by multiplying all the elements of the first row by 3. So the matrix, the new matrix forms, which is 1 5 1 2 minus 2 into 1, that means 0. 1 minus 2 into 5 minus 9. 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1. 3 minus 3 into 1, 0. 6 minus 3 into 5. That means 6 minus 15 minus 9. 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 1. Fine. Now you notice very carefully that these and these element, that means the first element of second and third row, is 0, but the other elements, they are not 0. So to make them 0, we subtract the third row from the second row. Okay, we subtract the third row from the second row. So this element is 0 and this element is 0. Let the operation is so the new matrix stands 1 5 1 0 -9 -1 0 minus 0, so 0 -9 minus of -9, so 0 -1 minus of -1, so 0. Now you follow, but you see very clearly that it forms an upper triangular matrix with a with a 0 row. Okay, that means it is a upper triangular matrix because all the elements upper the diagonal is 0, non-zero, but it has an 0 rows and two non-zero rows. This row has non-zero element, this row has two non-zero element, and this row is a 0 rows. It is not a non-zero rows. ঠিক আছে? So here we have two non-zero row. Okay, so here we have two non-zero rows and one zero rows, so the rank of the matrix is 2 and it is determined. Okay, if you have problem to understand the method or to understand the any part of the video, you can comment and I shall try to give the answer you. And please like, share and subscribe the video in your friend circle, and please comment about the topic of next video from the channel Easy Physics. Okay, thank you.